What happens when the biggest animal helps the smallest friend? Let us find out. In a green forest, there lived a big and kind elephant. He never hurt anyone and always helped others. One day, he saw a little bird sitting sadly on a tree branch. "Why are you sad?" asked the elephant gently. The bird replied, "My nest was broken by the strong wind." The elephant smiled and said, "Do not worry, I will help you." He collected soft branches, green leaves, and carefully built a new nest for the bird. The bird crept happily and said, "Thank you so much." The elephant replied, "Kindness is the greatest strength." Moral: helping others makes us truly great. Enjoyed this story? Subscribe and hit the bell icon for more details. And remember to share with your friends.